welcome back to all of our wonderful subscribers and members. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It does help our channel. We really appreciate it. And we also do a subscriber map at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't put your country in the comments yet, feel free to do so, and we will add it to the map. And if we forget anyone, let us know. We will update it. And if you do, if you would like to become a member, we do have links in the description for that also, but of course it's not required. So today we were able to save some more food from the dumpsters, and it was a pretty good amount too. So, and as you can see, there were quite a bit of these chilies. They were really good. I did end up like roasting them, and then you peel the skin off, and they freeze really well. So that's something that you can do if you do find a lot of these chilies. Those mushrooms were pretty good still, and also if you store your mushrooms, make sure to put them in some paper towels, so that just helps keep it, lasting a little longer. And we are looking into finding more stores. So far we've found a lot of compactors, so as soon as we find some more, we will update you with some more videos. But this is the same dumpsters that we showed last time, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. It was our previous video, and that one we found a lot of fruits and vegetables, but tons and tons and tons of bananas. So we did go through a lot of them, and I have been making banana bread like crazy. So our daughter, she's been helping, and we've just been baking banana bread muffins, and we just wrap them up, and I have little trays, like the food trays, plates. So I bought a big pack from Sam's Club, and I believe there's like 750 in there. So I have been using those to store the banana muffins, and then when we put our stuff together to donate, we do have a few people that are good with getting the fresh foods, because the blessing boxes that we donate to, we're only able to donate non-perishable items like chips and cookies and sodas and that kind of stuff. But like I mentioned before, we do have a few people that are good with these kind of fresh fruits and vegetables, and they really appreciate it. We are looking into expanding to some food pantries. Hopefully we're able to find more stores that we can dumpster dive and be able to save more food. The only issue is, like, a lot of places near us, they have a lot of compactors and locked bins, so we have been looking. We will keep looking, and hopefully we can find some more, because a lot of this food is really good. And of course, we separate everything when we get home, wash everything, and pack it up and do whatever we need to do to keep the food lasting longer. And also, like I mentioned before with the banana bread muffins, there is a link in the channel where you can go to see that our creations, some of the stuff that we make from these videos. So it is in the community section. There's a tab in the community section on our channel. You can check that out. And that's just to give you a little idea of what we do with some of the food that we find. And the one that I like, I like this one because, like I said, it is like near a park that we go to, so we can just go for a walk and, you know, check it out, see if there's any food, and if there is, then we can just load it up and take it back. So whenever you're out, look around and see, maybe there's, you know, a grocery store that leaves their dumpsters unlocked. You know, you don't have to take massive quantities if you're not able to, but I think any little bit helps. You know, we do try to take as much as we can so we can, you know, show you guys and give you guys a little better video. And we do have a few people that were able to donate, so, you know, the food doesn't go to waste. But if it's just you or your family, you know, you can just take a little bit, whatever you need. Or if you know somebody that needs food, then, you know, feel free to help them out. Just make sure you check it and make sure everything is good. I know it's sad because there's, you know, so many people that are hungry. There's so many, you know, people out there that could use this food. And there is some stuff, you know, obviously we can't take everything, you know, and hopefully more people find it. But if not, I mean, it will, you know, decompose and go back to the earth, so that is something good still, but we do try to save as much as we can. And, you know, we are showing you the food part of it, but we do a lot of scrapping also, and we do a lot of, you know, dumpster diving for usable things, stuff that can be reused, stuff that can be sold too. So if you are new to our channel, yes, we just, you know, recently started showing more food videos, but there's so much more to all of this. You know, dumpster diving, there's just so much. Like, if you need money, you can go out there and scrap. You can go and, you know, take whatever metals, you know, you're able to take. We do stick with the non-ferrous, like the copper and brass. And, you know, we take that in and we make some money on the side. And then there's also, you know, like apartment dumpsters or even retail dumpsters. We have been looking for that too, but everywhere like near us it's like all compactors or they're locked, so we don't really get any video of that. But we are still looking. So that is just a little extra info. If you know, if you need some extra money, there's always a way, and if you need food, there's always a way too. And like I mentioned about the scrap and stuff, I mean, of course we want to save as much food as possible and help as many people as we can. Like I said, some of it is not, you know, we're not able to take it. And like I said, it will, you know, decompose and go back to the earth. But there's so much scrap, there's so much stuff that will go to the landfills, like, that won't, you know, decompose and is just piling up everywhere. So there's things like, if you've seen our previous videos also, sorry if I'm like repeating myself, but anybody that's new here, we have like recently found probably like 25, I'd say, of these like smart thermostats, and instead of it going to a landfill, you know, being plastic and just different, you know, metals and stuff inside, that would just, you know, sit in a landfill. We were able to save it and resell it on eBay for a really good price, and also save the buyer a lot of money because those things sell for $600 each, brand new. And this person is able to repair them and resell them. So, you know, we help each other out. And that just shows that there's so much out there that, you know, you can save. Like, these fruits were really good too. So right away, you need to wash them. I would suggest like some warm water and some salt or vinegar. Someone did leave a comment about vinegar, so thank you for that. And yeah, you just have to like sort through it right away, wash it, cut up whatever needs to be cut up, stored, and then you have, you know, fruits and vegetables that can last you a while, especially if you can, like if you're like the canning jars and stuff, or dehydrating. We are looking into buying a dehydrator, hopefully soon, but also like canning like jars too. I attempted that and it like shattered, so yeah, I need to work on that because my canning did not come out very well. But hopefully the next time it comes out better. Because honestly, I haven't really tried it too much, but I mean, I've seen like so many different things that you can do, like with the mason jars and the canning. So I'm, you know, really interested in that and seeing what can be saved and how long it can be saved for. So if anybody has any info on that, leave it in the comments. I know there's some of you that are like amazing with canning and dehydrating and all that. So trust me, we really appreciate any tips and tricks that you guys have. So feel free to share that. Any recipe ideas or, you know, anything that can be helpful to us or other viewers. Because like these boxes, I mean, there's 2 boxes right here, but there's so much in here, like a variety. You know, like this dragon fruit is beautiful. So we actually do have dragon fruit plants too. We have gotten the fruit from it, but there's more. Bonus clip. And we are, like I said, looking to expand our dumpster diving route and more stores. So we did check around and you know, we're gonna keep an eye on it. I'm not sure what these big boxes are. They look like some kind of like display things. So if you guys do have any info on that, let us know. But they're really big. And this one right here is, I mean, it's like perfect. I don't know why they threw it away, but it's really, really nice. Kind of like a nautical theme. And I'm sure somebody could take those like racks right there. But there's just, you know, different things in here that my husband was going through. Even some of the packaging too. I mean, we do have a lot, so that's why my husband didn't take it. But there's still like stuff that can be used in the dumpsters. So we are gonna hold on to that and see if there's anybody that wants it. This one right here, there was like a few dresses in here, so we do have tons and tons of clothes right now, so that's why we didn't take it. But we are currently going through all of our inventory and putting together bags and everything to donate. And my husband does leave it out like, in case there's anybody that comes by and will find it. And there were quite a bit of books in here too. So, and if you have seen our videos, you know that I love books, you know. Well, I love books, but also like to sell them on Amazon. They're so easy to list. Like if you are interested in selling on Amazon, I highly suggest it, and books are so easy. So you just scan the barcode and the listing info comes up and you put in your price, quantity, condition, and you're ready to sell. And they do ship media mail, so that's pretty much the cheapest option there is. But yeah, that's just like some more, you know, extra money that someone can make. I mean, there's just so much stuff in the dumpsters that, I mean, you can pretty much make money on anything in here. Well, not anything, because there is actual trash. But, I mean, the good stuff, yeah, you can sell it on eBay, Amazon, yard sales. My husband like did a double take on that one because our baby, she loves Mulan, so she will love that tape. But we just want to say a big thank you to all of our subscribers. So we are currently changing our map, like, you know, if you have seen our previous videos, it is a little different, but we still want to say thank you to each and every one of you. And to all of our members, we say thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And hopefully you're able to subscribe, join our membership if possible, but if not, don't worry, it's definitely not required. But thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.